adding fractions with unlike denominators using a model. So when we have 1/3 plus 1/2, we know that we cannot add these fractions together because they're different units. Their denominators are not the same. So we need to find a common denominator, which we can do by drawing a model. So I'm going to draw one model, and I'm going to represent 1/3 on it. The denominator tells me to divide my model into 3 equal parts. And my numerator tells me to shade one of those parts. And then I'm going to draw a model for 1/2. And I'm going to shade half of it. Okay, so the next thing is I want to divide both of these up so that they are the same units. This is in thirds, this is in halves. In order to do that, I look at my denominators and I think about what the lowest common multiple for those two numbers are. And I know that the 3 would be like 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. 2 would be 2, 4, 6, and 3 and 2 have 6 in common. So I'm going to divide this one in half, which will give me 6 equal pieces. And I'm going to divide this one into thirds. In class, we talked about one easy way to do this is to, if this is in thirds, to look at this. And since it's a half, I divide it into halves horizontally. Since this was divided in half vertically, I'm going to divide it in thirds horizontally, and that will always give you equal parts. It's not always going to give you the lowest common multiple, but it is a quick and easy trick. Okay, so now I have both of my fractions converted into the same units. They are both sixths, and I can count and check that. Okay, this one has 2/6 shaded, and 1/2 is 3/6. Now I can add these together. 2 plus 3 is 5. And I don't add my denominators, it's still 6. So my final answer to 1/3 plus 1/2 equals 5/6.